Are you trying to get your Dell printer connected to Wi-Fi but you're not sure where to start? Well, to complete the setup nice and easy, you must know the right process. To help you, I'll walk you through the complete process of connecting your Dell printer to your home or office network, step by step, using the printer's control panel. On top of that, if you need additional help, then you can simply dial the numbers on the screen for real-time expert assistance. So, now, let's jump right into the process. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, power on your Dell printer and press the OK button to get onto the menu. After that, press the up arrow button until you see the network option and press the OK button. Now, using the same button, navigate to the Setup Wizard option and then press OK. You will see the confirmation screen. Simply press OK to proceed. Your printer will now start searching for available networks. Once the search is complete, use the up and down arrow buttons to select your network name and then press OK button. After that, it will ask you to enter the network password and then the connection will be complete.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.